This semester, I learned a lot about media with my professor Strangelove, and I enjoyed his class and learned a lot of valuable media theory. First of all, for the knowledge of it, I know some media theories in mass communication. For example, the cultivation theory is about media cultivating the human mind, and people can see the world through television and internet access. Filming theory says that the media should focus on specific social issues or other problems in particular areas to be explored. Then I produce two meaningful media clouds, reflecting what I have learned at this stage. The most prominent one is media, an essential part of what I will study. See in the image that media is connected to many things. It combines with our lives, parents, electronics, and abstract concepts. Moreover, I love my poetry clouds. It gives me many things. Before that, I have yet to organize all the points I had written very well. I realized that my poems were so interesting when putting them all together. I have some learnings about freedom of the press and media. In the face of freedom and responsibility, true news media should not take sides and assume social responsibility above freedom of the press. We should realize that absolute freedom of the media does not exist, and the so-called complete freedom of the press can be restricted. To raise the media's awareness of social responsibility, we need laws, ethics, and morals to restrain them. Then regarding the issues of media bias, the news media, as commercial organizations that sell news and information to specific audience for financial gain, are naturally inseparable from the constraints of the interest structure in the first place. Under this fourfold structure, it is only possible for the news to be unbiased and tell facts by expressing opinions. Therefore, when we look at this news, we also need to think systematically and critically to identify the one-side viewpoints in the reports and know what information is to be ignored and which is not worth considering. In addition, on the topic of the male gaze, women cannot independently stand in their own perspective, observe society, to look at themselves. They can only observe themselves with the help of the male gaze in the self-orientation. They also believe this is why women love to look in the mirror more than men and are more narcissistically. Because of the woman, the reflection in the mirror confirms her ego, and she has to locate the ideal self from the gaze of a devout other. This is what I have learned in summary. Thank you very much for watching.